Hello, everyone. Welcome to King English class.
Today, we will learn English vocabulary about colors through real pictures. Let's get started. Red. Red. This is a red apple. Red. This is a red strawberry. Pink. Pink. This is a pink t-shirt. Pink. This is a pink hat. Purple. Purple. This is a purple cauliflower. Purple. This is a purple car. Green. Green. This is a green circle. Green. This is a green gift box. Blue. Blue. This is a bluebird. Blue. This is a blue flower. Yellow. Yellow. This is a yellow banana. Yellow. This is a yellow mango. Orange. Orange. This is an orange. Orange. This is an orange rose. Light green. Light green. These are light green shoes. Light green. This is a light green hat. Black. Black. This is a black laptop. Black. This is a black belt. Brown. Brown. This is a brown chair. Brown. This is a brown table. Dark green. Dark green. This is a dark green sofa. Dark green. This is a dark green bow. Gray. Gray. This is a gray cat. Gray. This is a gray scarf. Dark blue. Dark blue. This is a dark blue dress. dark blue. This is a dark blue backpack. Light blues. Light blues. This is a bunch of light blue balloons. Light blues. This is a light blue heart.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.